Hello! Today I'm going to show you how I meal prepped and then the finished result for some slow cooker dinners. I really love a slow cooker meal. This is not really a secret, but I love a slow cooker meal, and I'm getting the meals prepared. First, we're doing an Aloha Chicken, which is very easy. I don't even think I had an actual recipe for this. I will try to find one that was very similar to what I used, but it's very easy. I would recommend using pineapple chunks instead of crushed pineapple, but pineapple works however you want to put it in the slow cooker. So you do want to drain the pineapple a little bit. Add a little bit of honey. I think this is a tablespoon of honey that I'm going to add. I'm actually measuring. My husband would be so proud of me because I never measure. And then a little bit of teriyaki sauce. Some cornstarch. And then, of course, chicken. I bought this big pack of chicken at Sam's Club. That's why I decided to prepare some freezer meals. I think it was $12 for, I think there ended up being like 10 chicken breasts, something like that, 10 or 12 chicken breasts. It was a pretty good price, and I love to get these big packs of meat to prepare these because for some reason I don't mind preparing freezer meals, but I don't really love cooking dinner. Then just mush it all together and you can freeze it. This is what it looked like when I dumped it into my slow cooker. It wasn't totally thawed, I guess, and then I just cooked it on low for I think 6 hours. The crushed pineapple wasn't as good as the pineapple chunks, but what can you do? Next is this Tuscan chicken pasta. I've had a jar of sun-dried tomatoes in my pantry that I wanted to use for something, and this sounded so good. So I'm putting the chicken in. You can, of course, put these chicken pieces in here smaller or into strips or whatever. I really don't ever do that because I'm lazy. I love these tubes of garlic because I don't really ever buy fresh garlic. Garlic powder, again with the not measuring. And then we're also going to add some oregano, and I believe Italian seasoning is the other spice that we're adding, as well as vegetable broth. I think the recipe called for chicken broth. I didn't have that, so I just used vegetable broth. Add some salt and pepper to the bag. The sun-dried tomatoes, you do want to drain the oil out of these, but I didn't video that because that's boring. But definitely drain the oil out of them. And then I added an entire bag of already frozen spinach. I love these Ziploc baggie holders. I got them on Amazon. I will leave a link to them in the description box, but I use them all of the time. You want to chop or shred the chicken. I think the recipe calls for serving this over pasta. I actually made some butternut squash risotto and served it over that, and it was delicious. Lastly, I'm going to attempt to make some ready to grill marinade bags, and this is truly just olive oil and Hidden Valley Ranch seasoning. I never remember to take chicken out to marinate it, so I thought this would be great to kind of have these pre-marinated chicken bags. I was attempting to use about a packet's worth of Hidden Valley Ranch seasoning, and I don't think that was enough. I don't know, I was just sort of winging it and seeing what I could come up with, and then I just smushed it all together in the bag and froze it. My grill is disgusting, don't judge me. So to grill them, I just sprayed this tray with grilling cooking spray, and then the propane went out on my grill. So I had to take them inside and pan cook them. They didn't really taste like ranch that much. I think that I just definitely didn't use enough of the seasoning, but I really didn't know what I was doing. I was just kind of making it up, so I just had to pan cook them. They were okay. I would try it again, but add more seasoning.